Danny's bath time. Little dinos get pretty grubby as they play. That's why we take a bath at the end of every day.
Now it's time for mine,
says Danny, much to his delight.
Cold water and then the hot, until it feels just right.
When the bathtub is full of water, he takes off his clothes, he turns the taps off, and dips his dino toes. Carefully he climbs right in, and once he's safely sat, he reaches for his bubble bath.
I'll need a squirt of that.
Danny rubs, with a soapy sponge everywhere. There are bubbles all over him, and bubbles in the air. Now it's time to rinse, washing all that soap away. This must be the cleanest little Danny's been all day. He plays with rubber Ducky and makes a bubble hat, but the water starts to turn a little chilly after that. Wrapped up in his towel, Danny gives the plug a tug.
Bye-bye, dirty water.
Danny giggles. Glug, glug, glug.
Why does Danny take a bath? To play with toys. To get grubby. To watch TV. To eat dinner. To play with toys. Uh-oh. To get grubby. What does Danny use to make bubbles in the bath? A rubber ducky. A sponge. Shampoo. Toothpaste. A rubber ducky. Uh-oh. Shampoo. Uh-oh. A sponge. What does Danny do after playing in the water? Dries off with a towel. Takes a nap. Goes to school. Eats a snack. Dries off with a towel. How does Danny feel after taking a bath? Hungry. Tired. Dirty. Clean.